Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on BNB. This is a chart. We are looking at BNB over USDT for our chart on Binance. Please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here, back in December of 2024, BNB pumped all the way up to $793. Then traders and investors took profits, and the price action pulled back, started downtrending. So if we connect all these highs that we see here on this chart, we see that we have a very nice resistance trend line. And also, if we connect all these lows, we see that we have a very nice, very clean, beautiful support trend line. So we have this huge triangle pattern going on. We have this lower ascending yellow trend line that has been acting as support. The price action bounced here. We saw another bounce here, another bounce here, over 2 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid support trend line. And also we have this upper descending yellow trend line that has been acting as resistance. Price action got rejected here, another rejection here, another one here, for example, over 4 touches. Therefore, that's a very valid resistance trend line. So we have this huge triangle pattern going on, and as long as the price action is moving inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue moving inside the pattern until it breaks out. But as you see, the price action doesn't have a lot of room to play inside the triangle pattern. So I expect to see a breakout sooner or later. If we see a break to the downside, you might want to consider opening a short position with a stop loss somewhere inside the triangle pattern just in case the price action fakes out. If we see a break to the upside, we are going to open a long position with a stop loss somewhere inside the triangle pattern again just in case the price action decides to fake out. If you're a beginner, I suggest that you focus on opening a long position, right? Because shorting can be very, very risky. As you see, the price action is currently testing this upper resistance trend line. And therefore, what I am doing with this at the moment is I am watching carefully to see if the price action is going to break above this resistance. Since the price action has gotten rejected here multiple times in the past, if the price action manages to break above this resistance, we might see a very nice explosive move to the upside. So I am watching for a breakout so I can buy the breakout, scaling on the retest if it happens, and wait for a continuation move to the upside so I can take some profits when the price action hits the rest of the targets that I have here on the chart. The first target is located at $681. From the current price levels to the first target, that's a 12% move. Next target is located at $793. That's a 31% move. That's basically the previous high that occurred back in December of 2024 that we talked about earlier. The last target that I have here on the chart, and that's my short-term price prediction for BNB, is located at $873. From the current price levels to this last target, that's a 44% move. And that's a huge move out of BNB, guys, because remember, BNB has a market cap of over 85.35 billion. This is a large cap, a heavy token, and therefore it needs a lot of liquidity to flow into it in order to move. It's not going to move easily. So a 44% move out of BNB is huge. Now, if the price action gets rejected here and we see another pullback at this lower support trend line, since we saw the price action bouncing here multiple times in the past, we might see another bounce here. It's very, very possible. For those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, those of you who want to open a long position trading in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider opening a long position if you see a bounce here, trying to front run the break above the upper resistance. This can be more profitable, but it's riskier. Of course, always set up a stop loss. So if you decide to trade this in a more aggressive manner, set up a stop loss right below this support trend line, just in case the price action decides to break below it. Those of you who want to short this, if the price action breaks below this trend line, the next target that I am watching for a bounce is located all the way down here, $500.41. Let me know in the comments below, what is your price prediction for BNB for 2025? Are you bullish or bearish in the short term? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. If you want to find all these trading setups that I talk about on YouTube with the Fibonacci levels of support and resistance and all the targets, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's totally free for now, but it's not going to be free forever. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, if you have any altcoins that you want me to talk about on YouTube, drop them in the comments below and I will make a video on this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Take care.